Hello students, good morning to you. Welcome back to my online class today. Yes, I'm going to teach you today the mathematics, okay? You're going to learn today the ordinal numbers, okay children? Or we can call it as the number positions, okay? In your last class, you have already learnt about the numbers, right? Yes, you have learned from 1 to 50. Yes, okay. How do we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10? Okay, if we take these numbers, okay, I want you to learn, children, the position of each and every number, okay? How to say the position. Children, when you wake up early in the morning, okay, you talk to your parents, okay, then you say, I'm the first one to brush my teeth, okay. Sometimes you say, I'm the first one to eat my breakfast, okay, right? Do you say it like that? Yes. Then sometimes you say, I'm the second one to reach to the door. If you are running, okay, if two children or if you and your brother or your sisters, if you are running, okay, then you say, I'm the second one, I'm the third one, or you say, I'm the first one. You say that like that, right? Okay, so it's the same concept I'm going to teach you now. See, you say first, second, third, right? Okay, so these are the number positions, children. Yes, the same thing we call it as the number position. Okay, now see here on this blackboard I have drawn some pictures for you. Okay, what are these pictures? Let us study now. Okay, now this is a flower. Okay, this is a flower. Okay, where is it located? You can see many pictures here now. This is which is in the number 1 position, right? 1. Okay, so this we call it as first, okay, which is in the first. Okay, here first you have flower, right? Flower is in the first position. Okay, what is this, children? This is an umbrella. Okay, this is in the second position. This is in the second position. Okay, these ordinal numbers we call, okay, these are all the number names. Okay, when we want to say it in the order, okay, when we want to say certain things in order, okay, we use these number names. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Okay, these are the number positions. Okay, children. Yes, so this flower is in the first position. Okay, this is an umbrella, I said. This is in the second position. Okay, now see this teddy bear. Okay, this is in the third position. Okay, 3 and RD. Okay, the third position. Okay, because this picture is in the third place. Where is it? This is in the third place. First place, second place, third place, right? So this is a third position. Okay, third. Okay, now which is in the fourth place, children? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first, second, third, and fourth position. You can find the picture of a butterfly, right? This is a butterfly, so this is in the fourth position here now. Okay, yes, see this picture of a man here. Okay, this is in the fifth position. Okay, because this is a fifth place, right? First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, which is in the fifth position? This is this picture is in the fifth position. Okay, this position we call it as fifth. Okay, fifth. Okay, see the next picture, bird. Okay, this is the sixth position. Sixth. Okay, see, count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is there in the sixth position? That this is a this we call it as sixth position. Sixth. See, 7. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. And this is 10. Okay. So now let's see. First flower, second umbrella, third teddy bear, fourth butterfly, fifth man, sixth bird, seventh. Okay, that's a tree. Okay, seventh position you can find a tree. Yes. Eighth position you can find a cloth or a dress. Okay, eighth position you can find one dress. Ninth position there is a star. Okay, ninth position. 10th position. Okay, there's a kite. There's a kite. Children, now you look at these pictures and tell me what is there in the sixth position. Okay, can you tell me? Yes, you can find a bird. There is a bird in the sixth position. You can tell like that. Okay, what is there in the eighth position? There is a dress in the eighth position. Okay, what is there in the 10th position? Yes, there is a kite in the 10th position. Okay, what is there in the first position, children? First, that's a flower. Okay, now I'm going to erase this pictures. Okay, let us write the spellings of each and every position. Okay, how to write it. Okay, you have learned the numbers and the number names, right? You say 1 and you say the spelling O-N-E 1. 2, okay, you write 2, then you say spelling 2 T-W-O. Okay, like that you have to learn now the position. Okay, position and its position, how to write that in the this thing. What is the spelling of each? Okay, now this is first. See how to write first. Okay, I will show you. Write 1, then you need to add on top of that in the small spelling S and T. Okay, write S and T. That's it. Okay, this is first. F-I-R-S-T. Okay, this is first. Okay, let me write it again. F-I-R-S-T. Okay, this is a spelling of first. Okay, now write second. How to write 2? Curve and one sleeping line, I said 2. Then you add here N-D. Okay, N and D. This is second. First and second. How to write second? S-E-C-O-N-D. See? Second. Now write 3. Okay? You have to add R and D. Third. Rd. Okay? R and D you have to add. Okay, how to write? T-H-I-R-D. See? This is third. Okay, how to write fourth? Write 4. Then you have to add TH. Fourth. Okay, T and H you have to add. How to write the spelling? F-O-U-R-T-H. This is fourth. Let's write next one. Fifth. 5 and TH. Okay, 5 and TH. That is fifth. See how to write? F-I-F-T-H. Okay, this is fifth. Let me write again. Sixth. Write 6. Then you have to add TH. That is sixth. S-I-X-T-H. This is sixth. Write 7th. Write 7. Then you add T and H. Okay. This is S E V E N T H. This is seventh. Write eighth. Write eight. Then you have to add T and H. Okay. How to write? E I G H T H. This is eighth. Write 9, then add TH. This is ninth. See? Ninth. Okay? This is a ninth place. 10. Write 10 and TH. Tenth. What is the spelling of tenth? TENTH. Okay? That's it. You need to learn these spellings, children. Let's see here. From four, okay, all the upper letters here, okay, that is TH, okay, TH. Everywhere you have to add TH after 4, okay, that's it. Yes, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Even here it is different. First you have to write 1, then ST, that is first. 2, you have to add N and D, ND, second. 3, RD, third, okay. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th, okay. That's how you need to learn the ordinal numbers, okay. Numbers are written in the order, okay, and as their position is, okay, you have to say the number names in that manner, okay. You say first. If certain things are if the item is in the first position, then you have to say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th and 10th, okay. That's it, children. In your day-to-day your activities, okay, normally you say these words, right? Okay, you say I'm the first one to reach, I'm the first one in the school, okay. Okay, when you get your progress report, you say I ranked first, I ranked second, I ranked third, okay. That's how we call these numbers position, okay, number positions, okay. You say I'm the 7th one, I'm the 8th one, I'm the 9th one, okay. If some people are standing in a queue, you can say he's the first one, he's the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, 7th one, 8th one, 9th one and 10th one, okay. So in this way you need to learn, okay, children, these ordinal numbers. I hope you will learn them at home. Yes, you have to practice them at home, children. Yes. I will see you tomorrow in my next class with something more interesting, okay, for you. Yes, thank you.